2025 Aprilia RS 660 Factory First Look, Price. Alex had always been drawn to Aprilia's sharp, race-bred machines, and the RS 660 had been on his radar since its debut. It was the perfect middleweight, fast, agile, and beautifully Italian. But when rumors began swirling about the 2025 RS 660 Factory Edition, Alex's curiosity skyrocketed. This wasn't just a refresh, it was a promise of something even more refined, track-focused, and thrilling. The day of the official reveal, Alex was at his favorite cafe, eyes glued to his phone as Aprilia's livestream kicked off. The bike appeared on screen in a flash of carbon black and racing red, gleaming under the lights. Even through the screen, it looked leaner, meaner, and more aggressive than ever. The announcer dove straight into the specs, and Alex listened closely. The 2025 RS 660 Factory boasted a retuned 660 cubic centimeters parallel twin engine, now pushing 105 horsepower, up 5 from the standard model. Aprilia had managed to extract more power while keeping the engine just as smooth and responsive. Alex could already imagine the rush of acceleration coming out of tight corners. A full suite of electronics came standard: multi-level traction control, cornering ABS, engine braking control, wheelie control, and even launch control, features trickling down from Aprilia's RSV4 Superbike. The 6-axis IMU kept everything in check, giving riders the confidence to push harder than ever. What really caught Alex's attention was the premium hardware. The factory model came equipped with fully adjustable Öhlins suspension front and rear, replacing the standard bike's Showa setup. Brembo Stylema brakes promised ferocious stopping power, while lightweight forged aluminum wheels shaved unsprung mass, making the bike even more flickable. Aerodynamics were refined too. Subtle new winglets had been added to improve high-speed stability, and a reshaped fairing helped channel airflow more efficiently. Alex could tell Aprilia had sweated the details on this machine. But the real question lingered in his mind: the price. The announcer finally addressed it. The 2025 Aprilia RS 660 Factory will launch with a base price of $13,999. Alex sat back, eyebrows raised. It was higher than the standard RS 660, but for a factory edition with top-shelf components and race-ready upgrades, it seemed like a steal. The value was undeniable, especially compared to competitors in the middleweight sport bike segment. Aprilia sweetened the deal with a limited-time offer: early buyers would receive a complimentary track day experience and a custom-fit racing suit. For Alex, who'd been itching to get more serious about track riding, that sealed the deal. As the presentation wrapped up, Alex tapped out a quick message to his local Aprilia dealer: "Put me on the list for the first shipment." The RS 660 Factory wasn't just a motorcycle, it was a dream sharpened to a fine edge. And now, with the price revealed and his mind made up, Alex knew 2025 was going to be the year he leveled up his riding game, Italian style.